exactly what you need to maximize spring strawberry harvest. I'm going to provide you with some essential steps to help you get started and some key steps that you need to take in order to ensure a strong maximum harvest of strawberries during the summertime. So from pruning to fertilization, I want you to follow with us as we talk about some of the hacks to achieve a abundant strawberry harvest. So in terms of the first tip in regards to spring cleaning, so I want you, as spring arrives, to give your strawberries patch some mulch needed attention. And begin by removing all dry and diseased leaves from last year, promoting the growth of fresh, vibrant foliage. Additionally, clear out any weeds to create a wonderful environment for new growth to thrive. The second tip is preparing the soil. So before fertilization, assess the condition of your soil. If your soil is dry and compacted, take the time to thoroughly water the bed and then loosen the soil with a garden tool. And this step improves soil aeration and ensures better nutrient absorption of your strawberry plants. Tip number 3 is in regards to mulching for moisture retention. And this really helps to maintain soil moisture. It helps to deter pests like snails. I want you to consider mulching your strawberry beds. So while addition straw mulch works best, shredded branches from your garden, these offer additional benefits. I want you to go ahead and spread a thin layer of mulch over the beds to retain moisture and prevent soil compaction and gradually nourish the plant as it decomposes. Tip number 4 is choosing the right fertilizer, and this is really important. And when it comes to fertilizing strawberries, choose organic nitrogen sources like chicken manure granules, which I've talked to you about before. And you can go ahead and dissolve 1 liter of chicken manure granules in 10 liters of water. Allow it to soften and scatter for 2 hours. Afterward, mix half a liter of this fertilizer with 10 liters of water for application. What about the fertilization techniques when it comes to strawberries? What are the best fertilization techniques we can use? So with your fertilizer prepared, it's time for you to nourish your strawberry plants. Pour approximately 1 liter of the diluted fertilizer solution around each of the plants, ensuring thorough coverage of the root zone. With proper watering beforehand, your strawberries will quickly respond with a speed and a maximum in terms of the growth and abundant harvest. And by following these simple and effective steps, you'll set the stage for spectacular strawberry harvest this spring. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.